Hello friends. So in this session we are going to discuss a problem of recursion. Okay, so what is the problem? The problem is that we are given a number and we have to count the number of digits in the number. Okay, so what I'm given is, say I'm given a number 50. How many digits does this number 50 has? It's a 2-digit number. Okay, so suppose I'm given 705. This is a 3-digit number. Suppose I'm only given only 9. Number of digits this has is 1. Okay, so I would be given a number and this should be my answer. How many digits does this have? Okay, so let's try to approach this problem, and we have to approach this problem using recursion. Okay, so as you might be aware that in recursion we will be calling a recursion, we'll be doing a small calculation. Okay, and there would be a base case. Okay, so let's try to solve this. Okay, so what I have to do is I am given a number n and I have to break this problem. Okay, so whenever we are given a number and then we have to break it, I think the easier part is that I can divide this. So what I can do is, say there is a number 4025. Okay, so this is the number that I'm given. The easiest part is that I can either divide it this way or maybe I can divide it this way. So 402 and 5. So I'm trying to split the number into 2 parts. I think this operation would be very easy. I mean, we can approach this operation very easily. So what I need to do is, so suppose this is my number n, I can simply get this part and this part using n divided by 10 and n percent 10. Okay, so these two operations very easily gives me these 2 parts. And so what do you think I should call recursion on? I mean, should I call recursion on this part or this part? So I think I would like to give most of the work to recursion. I mean, I would want recursion to do maximum work and I would want to do a very small work myself. So which among these 2 things looks easier to you? So this is the major part. So maybe I can give this major part to recursion and I can keep the small work for myself. Alright, so what I need to do is I need to call recursion on this part and I need to do my work on this part. Alright, so my code would be something like this. So count n, and then what I need to do is, so maybe something like this. Small is equal to count n divided by 10. So that I get 402 out of 4025, and answer should be something like small plus 1 because there is 1 digit left. And what would be the base case? So this 4025 would call recursion on 402. This in turn would call recursion on 40. This in turn would call recursion on 4. And maybe this in turn would call recursion on 0. Okay, so what should I return from 0? So how many digits does 402 have? 25. This has 4 digits. This has 3 digits. This is a 2-digit number. This is a 1-digit number. So by that logic, 0 seems to be a 0-digit number. So if n equals 0, maybe return 0. That should work. So 0 would return 0. Then it would add 1 to this and return 1. Then it would again add 1 to it and return 2. This would again add 1 to it, return 3, and this in turn would return 4. Okay, so this is the way that recursion works. In each step, so a base case is wherein there are no digits, the number is 0 and it is returning 0. At each step, while going back, the answer increases by 1 each time, and by the time it reaches n, it has the exact number of digits which the number has. Okay, so hopefully this is a good question to understand how the recursion works. what are the steps taken, and how 0 essentially becomes 4 or 5 or whatever is the number of digits which the number has. I hope that you'll be able to code this problem on your own. Thank you.